So let me ask you a question. Do you feel overwhelmed by a never-ending feed of digital information? Exhausted by the pressure to keep up with the latest apps and programs? Or even somehow less connected to friends, family, and colleagues who are scattered across social media? It seems like all of us are suffering from technology tension, digital dementia, or app anxiety. Relax, you are not alone. Welcome to everHuman. Hi there, my name is Andrea Bazwa, and I want to personally welcome you to everHuman. I'm here to show you how to navigate an ever-changing digital world with confidence and ease so that you can delight in your digital life. I created everHuman when I realized that nearly everyone I know, including myself, is in a love-hate relationship with their technology. And yet, there are very few resources out there to help us thrive in the digital age on our own terms. I invite you to check out everhuman.io, where you'll get access to my library of free resources and tools for better managing your digital life, whether at home, at work, or within your team or organization. By joining the email list, you'll also be welcomed into a community of people who, like you, want to escape technology overwhelm and treat technology as a tool and not as a master. Visit everhuman.io to feel more supported, empowered, and in control of your digital life. You'll learn to love technology and be yourself. Thank you so much for being here.